Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Max razor for women. First, let's get your skin ready for the best shave. Begin by cleansing your skin with warm water and a mild cleanser to remove any impurities. Next, gently exfoliate to help prevent ingrown hairs and ensure a smoother surface. Finally, apply a thick, even layer of your favorite shaving cream or gel. This creates a vital protective barrier between your skin and the razor, allowing for an effortless glide and reducing irritation. Now, let's talk about technique for a truly effective shave. Hold your Max razor at about a 30-degree angle against your skin. This ensures the blades make optimal contact without causing nicks. Always start by shaving in the direction your hair grows. This is crucial for minimizing irritation and razor burn. If you desire an even closer result, reapply shaving cream and then carefully shave against the grain, using light, short strokes. After achieving that wonderfully smooth shave, proper post-care is essential for healthy skin. Rinse the shaved areas with cool water. This helps to close your pores and remove any remaining shaving cream. Gently pat your skin dry with a clean, soft towel, avoiding any harsh rubbing that could cause irritation. Immediately follow up with a hydrating, alcohol-free moisturizer or a soothing aftershave balm to lock in moisture and keep your skin feeling soft and supple. To ensure your Max razor always performs its best, proper maintenance is key. After every few strokes, rinse the razor thoroughly under running water to clear away hair and shaving cream buildup. Once you're finished, store your razor in a dry, well-ventilated spot, away from the shower stream, to prevent bacterial growth and keep the blades sharp. Remember to replace your razor blade after about 5 to 7 uses, or when you notice any dullness, for a consistently smooth and comfortable shave.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.